right, today we're gonna bring a dust buster, and this is a very powerful, has 3 different sets of modes, on and off button here, type C charging station, suction air through here, blows it out. Now they got 2 different nozzles, one with a brush, one without it. Now they do have a cleaning brush at the end, and if you guys notice, we have a dusting computer that we need to completely dust out free and completely clean it out. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna set it up and see how it works. So let's go ahead and put it together and clean all the dust out first from out here. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe